Hello everyone, this is Vivian. I'll be explaining to you the eighth experiment in Web Technology Lab today. So first of all, let's look at the question. It is just to design a registration and login system in PHP using cookies and MySQL connections. Okay, so the output, what we should get something like this. Here we have a form, which is to sign up for free. We enter a username, so with my email, we type it again, and I register. So once I registered, it will show you in the local host. Once I refresh this, you can see right here, it's already stored in the database. Okay, so since I already logged in, let me enter it again. It will bring me to this page which says login successful. So how does this all happen? Let's check out the code. So here we have index.php where's the sign up page. So here we use the form method using post. Here we give inputs such as username, email, password, and after that it should direct you to the page serverscript.php. But before that, once you type all your details, when you first sign up, it will check the password when you enter it twice. So it will check if the passwords you've entered is the same. So it will call the function check underscore pass. Come here, the first password you entered is stored in variable 1, the second time you entered variable 2. Both will check. If it's true, then the sign up will be successful. So after this, it will go to serverscript.php. Here, the database connection is established. Connection is equal to MySQL underscore connect. Here's where it's established, and details such as username, email, and password are stored in variables such as username, email, password using the super global variable post. So next, we enter the query, insert into user's value your details such as username, password, and email, and then we execute this query and store it in result. So once the result is true, it will bring you to the page welcome. Next we go to the login page. Here's where they'll validate your details. So once you give your username and password, and I've given required as they are important necessary functions to fill, and once you log in, it'll check if you have already set the cookies. If it's not set, it will set the cookies again using the set cookie function. Okay, next it will bring you to this page, validate login.php. So here again the connection is established to the database, and again it will check if you have already registered or signed up, and it will use the cookies to check you've already signed up or not. If not, it will use the super global variable post method and then store it, and the query will be stored and will execute it and store it in the result. And once the username is entered, if it's true, if okay, then records is equal to MySQL underscore num underscore rows. Here it will calculate the number of rows your username has. So let's say if I have my username Viv, I want to check how many rows I have. It'll get stored and showed calculated using MySQL I underscore num underscore rows. If there are no records, it's actually a invalid username as you've not signed up yet. But if it's already stored, then it will echo login successful and it will store in session. And you can also change your password over here. To change the password, I put it in this page. Okay, you have to start the session underscore start, and establish the connection again. If the connection is not true, means password enter is wrong, error will be displayed. If it's successful, then you can change your password. Similarly to the previous page, as I mentioned, instead of select star from user, here we use the query update user set password, and the query will be executed in result variable. And if it's true, it's changed successfully. So let me just show you how the password is also changed. So once you log in successfully, you want to change your password, click over here, it'll bring you to this page. I want to change it to, okay, 12345. Okay, local head says okay, so it's been changed. So it's done, and I'll just show you in this. If I refresh this, updated password, initially it was 1234, now I just changed it to 12345. So that's how the database connection is established using MySQL.